What's up everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to create a deep Amapiano beat in FL Studio. So the first step is of course adjust the BPM to 113, which is really common for Amapiano. At first we're going to start off with a direct wave. So I'm using this Piano Electric 1 preset. So this is the chord which I've just played and is in A minor. And right now we're going to add some more on top of this one. Like this. And right now we're going to add some root notes. So I'll start off with this A flat. Then we're going to drag in this C. And the next one is this F. And also repeat this one right here. So we're gonna first randomize it a little bit like this. And then we're gonna add the strumizer, press Alt S and press accept. So now in Amapiano, most of the times we just want some really emotional and vibey chords. So I think that's already pretty awesome. And right now we're gonna add another element from Purity. And it just has to be something like a pad. So we're going to add this Sona preset, this one. I'm going to use an A like this. Repeat it every 2 bars. Just copy it and paste it 1 octave up. So A flat 4. Reduce the volume. So right now it's really in the background. So right now I'm going to add another element. So I'm going to use Purity again. So we're going to select Woodwind. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to edit at A5 like this. So that's it right now. I'll link those elements to the mixer. Remove the low frequencies from the sonar. Also from the Woodwind. And we're going to add some more reverb to the Woodwind. Also remove some of the high frequencies. That's it. I remove the low frequencies from the electric piano. So in this case we're going to add another element, and I'm going to add a saw. So I'm going to pick a bass, which is not too heavy. This one could work out pretty well. Edit this detailed EQ, remove some of the low frequencies and high frequencies. So right now I'm going to add some drums. I'm going to use an Amapiano sample pack volume 1. And first I'm going to start off with a kick, this deep kick, this one. I'm going to select some percussions. First start off with some bongos. So I'm going to use this one. And first try in the kick pattern. Always a 4x4 pattern. Like this. And then we're going to add a bongo. That's it. Alright, now I'm just going to link those to the mixer and add some reverb and delay to this element. Just reduce the feedback a little bit. I'm going to pick a tom. This one. First I'm going to paste it into the arrangement because I want to add some shaker loops. I'm going to open up my pack. First one, always fire. And just add this one. link them to the mixer. I'm gonna add some more percussions. Snare. I'm also going to add a triangle, this one, and add this one right here. That's it. And then we're gonna add a conga, this one. So I think this sounds really fire. But it's still missing something, so I'm going to add a snare. So I'm going to add this typical Amapiano snare. So right now it's time to add the lock drum. So I'm going to use the Fruity DX10, my lock drum bass preset 2. And I'm going to follow the root notes from the chord progression. Maybe just add a short note right here. 1 octave up from this note. Ooh, fire. And maybe just swap those like this. I think that's very bouncy. So we're going to add a second element, and I think it's named the flute, this one. And it suits really well as a bass in the piano. So I'm gonna just duplicate the pattern. Goes really well together. Altogether it sounds like this. Just adding an extra tom. So I think when it comes to the creative part, it's done. And right now I'm going to create an arrangement. And I almost forgot to mention, just add a little bit of swing, around 15%. So I've just created a simple build-up for you guys, which will last around 1 minute. And it's just to show you how the build-up could be arranged. So I hope you enjoy it. So first, always the shakers and the drums and the kick. Just added this low cut filter on the piano. It really has that build up. Loud drum coming in, saw bass and sonar. Now the Woodwind and the bass or EQ is coming in. And I think that's basically it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to download the free FLP in the description. Also make sure to leave it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys in one of my next videos.